Hey, it's Colin here. I work tomorrow and I needed to do an oil change. It's not an oil change. Well, it is an oil change, just something else came up. I was gonna go clean the chain and then I noticed something, and I'll see if I can catch it here on camera for you. Take this guy off. Flip this guy around. Sorry, audio. Get as wide as I can here. But it's like every spoke is tight. Like if you look at the wheel, it's true. But if you look in here, it's like every spoke is loose. But it spins fine. I haven't put a dial indicator on it or anything like that, but yeah. So, wasn't really planning on filming tonight. But yeah, I've never seen this. It's super weird. Yeah, totally true. Every spoke, but the thing is, it's like every spoke is kind of tight. It's like the whole thing just loosened off, like in sync. Like, way to go, Honda. That's impressive. I don't know if I could do that. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix this before I go to bed. What time is it? Yeah, I guess I have to do this because this is my daily, right? I don't have a car, I just got my bike. Okay. This is new to me. We'll see if we can fix it. Colin at Fake Internet Engineer. Oh my gosh, what did I get myself into? Okay, so got my 7mm wrench. Apparently that's the 450L spoke wrench size. Okay, Honda, you have got this wheel program dialed. Where did I start? Started at the valve stem. I went on this side and turned every one of these spokes about a quarter turn. Then I went to the other side, turned every spoke about a quarter a turn. They were all loose, like, evenly. Like, really evenly. And it was like a little bit of a quarter of a turn. You could feel the torque, like the tension build up. And it was just like, it was so consistent. So, Honda, your CRF450L wheel program, pretty consistent. Hats off. Okay, I'm gonna kind of tweak this a little bit more, but yeah, it spins like fine, and it's still true. Okay, so I went back for a second pass on the spokes, and like a couple of them just need a bit more of a tweak, and I'm still looking at this rim, and I'm like, this is way too consistent. So I broke out the dial indicator. Now, this wheel has 15,000 kilometers on it, probably actually 16 now. Not a lot of off-road, but some. Check this out. Now, I am not a machinist. I don't use a dial indicator a heck of a lot. I think I paid $20 for it. But and I'm probably using it wrong, and you can comment below about cosine error and stuff like that. But check this out. Isn't that absolutely crazy? Like, I mean, that is so crazy good. I'm sure the guys will be like, oh no, my YZ125 wheels are better. But it's like how consistent everything loosened up and how everything got back together. Honda, you got it sorted out. Give your wheel guys department, whatever, give them a raise. That's nuts. Okay, so it's starting to rain outside. I have to work tomorrow, so I should probably get my bike back together because it currently looks like this. So yeah, let's get this bike back together. I need to get some sleep before work tomorrow. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.